this video, I'll be showing you how you log into your TikTok account in 2026. So to do that, you hop on TikTok like this, and then you tap on the profile at the bottom. Good. On this section, you can see login here. Just on the login here, and then you get access to log into your account with your email, username, or phone number. You can use your Facebook, and you can also use your Google account. It's up to you. So in this case, I'm going to use the email. So I already have an account. So to log in with my email, what I do is I select the email and I enter my email here. Good. So I'll be sent a mail. I will have to confirm my identity, and I'm good to go. I get access to the account. So the mail is here, and there's the code 262 and 3, and then we have 60. Good. I've logged into my account now. So there's it on how you log into your TikTok account in 2026. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Have a lot of tutorials on TikTok. You can check them out. That's it for the video. Once again, peace.